what's up, y'all? Domino here. Happy Thanksgiving to y'all, you know. Up on my family. All right. Yo, Richie, you on the show, man. All right. Yep.
He hates on my husband. He hates on my husband more. Yeah, I hate on your own day. How you hate on your own day? You don't want you know?
Wow. So much going on. So we just we just here chilling and stuff like that, you know. And
man, them boys stupid, dude, boy. Solid stupid video like 2 weeks ago. I guess he walked the tour of the ball and Keith was on the mic.
Oh no, he was on the mic.
Buck with his arm around him, straight his ear down. I laughing.
He was a key ear.
Solomon like he just walking. He just me bucking.
Yo, Ron,
on the mic. He's all you see the buck with his arm around.
Solomon can hear what you're saying, bro. Solomon can hear what you're saying. You heard me? Solomon can hear what you're saying, bro. You heard me, Ron? Solomon can hear what you're saying.
Okay.
You're live right now, but Facebook, but eventually YouTube, you know? Mm-hmm. All right. What's up? All right.
Happy Thanksgiving, y'all.
What's up? All right. You on the show, man.
What's up, bro? You get big, brother.
Yeah, bubblegum face.
Woo, girl, time flat, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, what you gotta say, bubblegum face?
Still as you know? No.
It's live, you know?
Yeah.
Facebook first, eventually YouTube.
Oh, okay. What's up, Tip?
Oh, I thought she was at Delgado. I mean, say not Delgado. She not at Dillon no more. Oh, I didn't know that. Raven, why you didn't tell me? You're lucky I'm live on here. You lucky. Yeah. Well, never mind. Bubblegum face. Yeah. I know it drizzled a little bit. Huh.
Everything online now, you know.
I told him I
book right now. Let's go when they graduate.
trying to give them lunch. Having Gatorades and extra chicken sandwiches. So I was like, what? You got to tell me something like, you know what I'm saying? They told me, like, well, my friend don't really have money on their food. I'm like, so how much did they have? Well, he said, his mama every week they put 100. I said, Jaden, ain't no way. Boy, I can put no $100 every week on your lunch.
When y'all go make your groceries, get his fucking
But he eat for free. He want the extra. That's what I said. All that come with it.
Bring your fucking Gatorade with you.
I keep telling him that. I'm like, boy, you don't even need us extra one. I'm tell you, really be having real Chick-fil-A sounds. They be giving
Chick-fil-A sounds.
You know they gonna
with a Gatorade, you get a drink for the free. Man, what? He wants to go back and get extra. Oh, negative. That's why I'm looking at the thing. It said -5 for the chicken sandwich, -$3 for the Gatorade. You hear me?
Fucking $8 a day, you gonna eat free.
He telling me pie. He told me, I said, Gene, boy, in a week, you $100 a week. Especially if you eat for free.
Hell no.
Man, you hear me? Well, that's what I'm telling you. He's seeing how the people living, and that's why he's doing that. When he asked for the Mac, I said, Gene, listen, you do need a laptop. I understand it, but where you learn about a Mac from? You ain't never thought about that.
Yeah,
He's showing me his pie in the counter, got the Mac. He's showing a picture of all that what he got. I'm like, oh, listen.
Too young for a Mac. First of all,
exactly.
They're too irresponsible. They leave their book sacks anywhere.
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 All you see in the text message, the coach said somebody left their cleats, somebody left this. Every message, every day.
Y'all killed his ass leaving us on $1,200. That's too young. I got both of these when they graduated, when they went to college, so they could keep up with these.
Yes, indeed.
Now when you slinging them book sacks on the ground,
well, let's go.
Come on. And you already got tuition every month.
$600. From what?
Right.
Man, go ahead, yo. But the thing is,
I figured that, dude.
They got these cold-blooded. They like quilted almost. It's like a bomber low key. They got a collar and it's quilted. Like they got a collar. Yeah, flip down collar. And it's like, hey, you ever seen the Dickie fit where they got the little zipper Dickie? Like it's like that. But it's like quilted and it's like multicolored, like they got a bird. Inside or outside? Outside. It's cold blooded 75.
All right.
Oh, damn, you acting crazy. Leading the millions round like that.
That's what Lil Rich said, y'all. You know. So anyway, y'all, he sparked up a conversation and everything. You know.
Right. I'm social.
Yeah.
Inclined.
I'm talking to you and the people here.
Right. They on that? Who on that? Let me see who on that.
Oh, no, nobody else though. You know.
We got previews.
Oh yeah, this Facebook Live eventually on YouTube. You know.
All right.
So anyway, y'all seen Lil Rich so many times though. So Lil Rich, how many times you been on my show? Several times. Yeah, he been on several times, y'all. You know. Yeah, so anybody want to say hi to?
Everybody here, y'all.
Rich, anybody you want to say hi to? Okay. Just like Drew Carey be asking PP when they spin the big wheel. Yeah. Oh, Lil Rich, you heard of Bob Bark, huh?
Yeah, well, I was.
He passed away. Yeah, this year. Oh yeah, at the age of 99, and his birthday is next month. He would have made 100.
We lived a beautiful life.
Oh yeah. Excuse me? Stop saying that, man. Bob Barker fans is watching this, man. You better be careful. Well, you better be careful, man, because Bob Barker is watching from the great beyond, and Bob Barker fans is watching this. You know, I'm telling you. What? Oh, you better stop saying that. So I'm sorry, y'all. He just hating on Bob. That's what he doing. We talking bad about Bob again.
Ooh, so you got another tag card?
I want to apologize to the viewers for Richard's outburst, his blasphemy. Okay, so all right, I'll see y'all later.
Every time she come home, look like